I have whatever I want within one day. There is no exception. It takes maximum of one day or less for me to get whatever I want. The delivery time for my desires is maximum one day or less. It never takes more than that. Manifesting anything within one day or less is so effortless and easy for me. I effortlessly and easily manifest anything I want within one day or less. If I want something, I have it within one day or less. My subconscious mind absorbs all my affirmations in less than 1 second. My subconscious mind projects my desire within one day or less. It never takes more. I never have to wait. I get my desire within one day or less. My desires materialize into my 3D reality within one day or less. It never takes more than one day or less to get my desires. I am lucky because I get what I want within one day or less. All my desires find me within one day or less. Why am I so lucky? I am a master manifester and I manifest within one day or less. I am gifted with the ability to manifest my desires within one day or less. I manifest instantly and limitlessly. No matter what I think, I always receive my manifestation within one day or less. I never have to wait for anything. My manifestations find me instantly. Everything I desire comes to me instantly. My mind is so powerful, I get whatever I want within one day or less. I manifest whatever I want within one day or less. The 3D reality confirms instantly to my affirmations. My results never need any time, they find me instantly. All my subliminals give me extremely fast results. I manifest within a millisecond. It's so easy for me to manifest within a day or less. I manifest anything I want in less than a day. It never takes me more than a day to manifest all my desires. I always receive whatever I desire in less than one day. My 3D always conform to my desires in less than one day. I never have to wait. My reality shifts to my desires in one day or less. I always successfully manifest everything I desire in one day or less. My mind is designed to give me all desires in one day or less. It never takes more time. I am the creator of my reality. I am 100% able to shift my reality in one day or less. When I decide I want something, my reality immediately shifts to my desired timeline. Thank you.